as a professional actor. The second version of Tito Ricky that I knew was a co-actor. We did a play in CCB. Baka naman hindi. It was a farcical play. And the third version of Tito Ricky that I knew was like Tito Ricky, my uncle. You know, he good friends with my parents. He's always around. I grew up with Ken and Ricky Bien and Ara. I still have pictures. That's in our fridge somewhere. Nasa ref namin yung picture natin. Si Ricky may hawak na stick na kaganin siya. So it's always funny to see that. When I first worked with Tito Ricky, yung director ko, I remember first day, I was very nervous kasi usually pag family friends yung director, they're slightly, they might be hard on you because you know they want you to learn. But Tito Ricky was not like that with me. As my director, he was very encouraging. He let me explore things for my character. And I just had a lot of fun working with him. That was with GMA for Little Nanay. I learned a lot. He allowed me to make choices as a character, and I really enjoyed working with him as a director. As an actor working with him, I was always in awe kasi grabe yung focus ni Tito Ricky. And he always appreciated the greats that came before him. We had many conversations about si Eddie Garcia or si Johnny Delgado. He would always, ganito yan, si FPJ, pumapasok ng set. He would demonstrate it talaga. And I just really enjoyed working with him. I learned a lot from him. I consider him, for my career, a mentor. When I saw him in the hospital, also, Malka, thank you so much for taking care of me. Tito Ricky, he was in the hospital. I got to visit. And I told him, sabi ko sa kanya, Tito Ricky, wag muna, marami pa tayong gagawin. And even though he was already sick, I was sharing with him the projects that I was doing, the things I was excited for, and he just went like this. Still very present, still very encouraging to me in my career. Everything sa kanya, sa industriya was always so wonderful. He was always so excited about work. And yun ang palaging maaalala ko about Tito Ricky. Everything was so positive and so wonderful. Segue to the store. Diba? Okay ba yung segue? So,